Ever pondered who pulls the strings in this labyrinthine world, the algorithmic matrix we inhabit? Imagine the puppet masters, unseen yet omnipresent, controlling every aspect of our lives. They weave the web of the rat race, a maze so intricate that escape seems impossible. We're born into this race, running tirelessly towards goals set not by us but for us. But who sets these goals? Who dictates the pace and direction of this relentless pursuit? These puppet masters are the architects of our reality, the curators of the algorithmic matrix. They decide what we perceive, what we believe, and ultimately, what we become. Every emotion, every thought, every action we take is subtly guided by these unseen forces. These are not mere concepts from a dystopian novel, but rather the reality of our lives. We are living in an invisible cage, a matrix constructed by the puppet masters, and we are the unwitting marionettes. So who are these puppet masters crafting our realities? Ever heard whispers of the 13 families who supposedly own the world? They exist in the shadows, or so the theories suggest. These families, 13 in number, are said to hold the reins of the globe, controlling everything from economics to politics, from culture to the very fabric of our daily lives. Whispers of demonic worship and dark evil rituals, a concept so staggering, it has woven itself into the very fabric of conspiracy theories worldwide. The allure of this notion stems from its roots in the history, mythology, and mystery surrounding these families. Their names, often whispered in hushed tones, are associated with vast wealth, expansive influence, and inexplicable power. From the Rothschilds to the Rockefellers, the lore of these families is as vast as the fortunes they are said to command. Some believe these families are the puppet masters of the world, pulling the strings behind closed doors. They are the unseen hand guiding the course of nations, the silent voice whispering in the ears of world leaders. Their influence, if the theories are to be believed, extends beyond the tangible, delving into the realm of the metaphysical, shaping the spiritual and ideological landscape of the world. Others suggest these families are the keepers of ancient knowledge, the guardians of secrets so profound they have the power to alter the course of humanity. They are said to possess relics of antiquity, mystical artifacts imbued with power beyond the comprehension of mere mortals. These theories, as tantalizing as they are terrifying, are cloaked in layers of uncertainty and skepticism. Each theory more enigmatic than the last, each claim more audacious. But therein lies the allure of the unknown, the fascination with the hidden, the obsession with the concealed. Yet despite the intrigue, the speculation, and the countless hours spent unraveling this grand tapestry of conspiracy, one question remains: how much truth lies within these stories, and how much is mere fabrication? The power these families wield, if true, is indeed shrouded in mystery and intrigue. What if there are societies hiding religious and spiritual truths from us? An intriguing question that could change our perception of reality. Imagine, if you will, a clandestine group of enlightened individuals, guardians of ancient wisdom, who hold the keys to unlocking the secrets of our universe. These hidden societies, often shrouded in mystery and steeped in legend, are suggested to have access to forbidden knowledge. Knowledge that could potentially unravel the fabric of what we accept as our reality. But why would they conceal such truths? What could be so powerful, so earth-shattering, that it needs to be hidden away from the common populace? Consider the possibility that these societies, these keepers of secrets, are not just the custodians of religious mysteries, but also the gatekeepers to a spiritual truth about our world. A truth that transcends the boundaries of organized religion and delves into the realm of the metaphysical. A truth that has the potential to liberate us from the confines of our perceived reality. Mythology and mysticism often intertwine with these theories. Tales of ancient civilizations, lost in the sands of time, that possess knowledge far beyond our current understanding. Mystical relics imbued with power and cryptic texts containing the wisdom of the ages, all guarded by these elusive societies, away from prying eyes. Take, for instance, the legend of an ancient society known as the New World Order, believed to hold the secrets of alchemy, astrology, and theurgy, or the infamous Illuminati, often conjectured to be puppet masters pulling strings from the shadows. Countless other such societies are woven into the tapestry of our history, each with their own enigmatic lore. These theories, while fascinating, are often met with skepticism. After all, they challenge our accepted understanding of the world. But isn't it the nature of humanity to question, to seek answers, to push the boundaries of knowledge? So, we return to our initial question. Could these societies be the key to understanding our place in the matrix? Perhaps, if we dare to venture beyond the veil of the mundane, we might just find the answers we seek. Are we all just pawns in a grand algorithmic game, forever running in a rat race? Let's explore this thought. Picture a world where invisible puppet masters control us, not with strings, but with algorithms. Algorithms that subtly steer our decisions, shape our thoughts, and manipulate us into constantly craving more. Think about it. A rat in a race is too busy running to question the race itself, in the same way we're too engrossed in our pursuit of success to question the system that defines it. So, what's the solution? How do we break free from these digital chains? The answer lies not in running faster or acquiring more, but in stepping off the track altogether. To truly escape this algorithmic matrix, we must first realize that we're in it. We must question the race, challenge the system, and seek our own path. Perhaps, to escape the matrix, we need to stop running in the rat race and start trusting our intuition. What if the key to liberation from this matrix is not in our hands, but within our souls? Let's ponder on that for a moment. We've explored the puppet masters, the clandestine societies, the infamous 13 families, and the algorithmic matrix that's got us ensnared in the rat race. But what if the escape route isn't some hidden door or secret code, but rather a journey inward? Spiritual awareness, my friends, might just be our ticket out of this labyrinth. It's an awakening, a shift in consciousness, a moment of recognition that there's more to life than what meets the eye. It's the realization that we are more than just flesh and bone, more than just creatures of habit, stuck in a perpetual cycle of work, eat, sleep, repeat. Being spiritually aware means to recognize that we are part of something larger, something infinitely vast and complex. It's to understand that we are not separate from the universe, but intricately connected to it and to every other living being within it. It's about peering beyond the illusions of the matrix, the smoke and mirrors that keep us chained to a system that benefits only the few. It's about recognizing the strings that bind us, the puppeteer's hands that control us, and then making the conscious decision to cut those strings, to break free from the puppeteer's grip. When we are spiritually aware, we begin to question, to seek truth, to crave authenticity. We start to see through the lies and deception, the false reality that's been carefully constructed around us, And most importantly, we start to see our own potential, our own power, our own ability to create change. So, what if the key to liberation from this matrix is not in our hands, but within our souls? What if the escape route isn't some hidden door or secret code, but rather a journey inward? In the end, the power to break free might just lie within us. We've journeyed through myths, dived into mysteries, and challenged our understanding of reality. We've unmasked the puppet masters, those shadowy figures pulling the strings from within the algorithmic matrix, holding humanity captive in a relentless rat race. We've discovered the enigma of the 13 families, those silent puppeteers who've held the reins of this world for centuries untold. We've peeked into the clandestine corners of hidden societies, each guarding their forbidden knowledge, their religious secrets, and their profound spiritual truths with zealous fervor. We've traversed the labyrinth of the algorithmic matrix, a digital maze designed to keep us distracted, disoriented, and disempowered. Yet amidst this chaos, we've found a beacon of hope in spiritual awareness, our compass in the storm, our key to breaking free from the cycle. As we continue to question, explore, and seek truth, perhaps, just perhaps, we will find our way out of the matrix. Just when you thought we've uncovered it all, when you thought the veil had been fully lifted, we find ourselves standing on the edge of yet another abyss of secrets. This abyss, deeper and darker, holds the promise of secrets far more profound than we've ever dared to imagine. But what if everything we've explored is just the tip of the iceberg? What if the puppet masters we've unmasked, the 13 families we've scrutinized, and the hidden societies we've stumbled upon are merely pawns in a grander game? A game orchestrated by entities far more powerful and elusive. Imagine a realm where the algorithmic matrix, as intricate and confounding as it is merely a single thread in an infinitely woven tapestry of realities. A realm where our spiritual awareness, as illuminating and liberating as it is but a single ray of light in an endless cosmos of consciousness. Could there be a matrix beyond the matrix? A higher level of control, an intricate web of deception that goes beyond our present understanding? We've unmasked the puppet masters, but what if they themselves are mere puppets? Their strings being pulled by an entity far more powerful, far more elusive. Could there be puppet masters pulling the strings of the puppet masters we've unveiled? Could there be deeper secrets, more profound truths, and greater mysteries than those we've dared to question and explore? Who could be the puppeteer of puppeteers, the mastermind behind the grandest scheme of manipulation and control? Is it possible that our reality is just a mirage within a mirage, a labyrinth within a labyrinth, a matrix within a matrix? As we stand on the precipice of this new discovery, we can't help but wonder, are we ready to dive deeper into the rabbit hole? Are we prepared to face the truths that lie within this meta-matrix? The journey ahead is fraught with uncertainty and danger, but the promise of enlightenment, of true freedom, is too tantalizing to resist. As we delve deeper, as we venture further into the unknown, who knows what we might uncover? Stay tuned for the next chapter in our journey through the algorithmic matrix, and don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification bell to discover the mysterious enigmatic truth with us all.